Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to connect a PS5 controller to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So in this video I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide to be able to connect the PS5 controller to your iPhone. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to enable Bluetooth on your phone. So open the settings on your iPhone, then tap on Bluetooth, then turn the Bluetooth on. Then after that, put the PS5 controller in a pairing mode. Press and hold the PS button, which is the middle button, and the create button, which is next to the D-pad at the same time. Then hold until the light bar starts flashing rapidly and indicating pairing mode. After that, on your iPhone Bluetooth settings, look for dual sense wireless controller under the available device, then tap on it to connect. Then after that, the controller's light will stop flashing and remain solid, confirming a successful connection. Now you can use your controller or PS5 controller to play compatible iOS game, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.